In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix LEGO Fortnite Disabled on PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you various ways in order to fix LEGO Fortnite Disabled on your PlayStation 4. First, I want to clearly state that I am recording this video on PC, but don't worry, the methods that I'm going to show you are going to work. I'm only recording on PC for convenience. The first method that I want to bring up, and this is the one officially stated by Epic if you go over to their websites, is disconnecting controllers if you have multiple controllers connected to your PlayStation 4. Because, as you might be aware, split screen does not work inside of LEGO Fortnite if you have multiple controllers connected to a single PlayStation 4 console. If you try to go into LEGO Fortnite, it is going to detect all of those controllers, and because it doesn't support split screen, it is going to give you the message that it is disabled, as you can see here. If it is disabled, go ahead and disconnect any additional controllers that you have. Once you only have a single controller and a single account connected to the PlayStation 4, you can go ahead and try again. The second option that you have to fix LEGO Fortnite Disabled on your PlayStation 4 is to simply go into a normal Battle Royale match and then come back to LEGO Fortnite. So, like I said, just load into Battle Royale, which I'm not going to do here. Once you get in the battle bus, pause the game and leave the match. Go back to the main menu and now try signing into LEGO Fortnite again on any of your worlds. Usually, by going into a Battle Royale match and then going out, you are going to ensure that everything is set up and that you are properly connected to the matchmaking services. You should be able to get in as soon as you leave Battle Royale and select a world, as you can see here. Now, I'm gonna cancel matchmaking really quick. I don't actually want to go into my world because I want to highlight the last option that you have to connect to LEGO Fortnite. Sometimes the reason why it's disabled is because the LEGO Fortnite matchmaking services are down. So if you visit this website at status.epicgames.com, you will be able to find a lot of servers regarding Epic Games, and one of them is going to be LEGO Fortnite. If it doesn't say operational, it gives you an error message. The servers on Epic sites are down and you simply need to wait until the issue is fixed on their end. You can look through past incidents to get examples on when this happened, and it is relatively rare, but it can still happen. So I highly recommend that you check the matchmaking services, because if they are down, you can't do anything about it. You simply have to wait. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix LEGO Fortnite Disabled on your PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.